Did you know you can turn your diet into a calorie-burning powerhouse? That's right. In today's video, we're diving into the 10 superfoods that'll turbocharge your metabolism and help your body burn more calories all day long. And that's not all. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that could completely transform your routine and speed up the results you're looking for. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on tips to boost your health and energy. Let's get started. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a complex carbohydrate that provides sustainable energy and helps boost metabolism. Rich in fiber and vitamins such as vitamin A, they support healthy digestion and promote a prolonged feeling of fullness. Additionally, sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, which prevents blood sugar spikes and encourages a more balanced metabolism. You can enjoy them boiled, baked, or mashed as a side dish for main meals or as a pre-workout snack, ensuring you have energy for physical activities. An interesting fact is that sweet potatoes are also rich in antioxidants, helping to protect the body from premature aging and keeping your health in check. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and sardines, are a powerhouse of health and an excellent ally for metabolism. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a healthy fat that reduces inflammation in the body and improves hormonal regulation, including hormones that control appetite and promote fat burning. Additionally, omega-3 supports cardiovascular and brain health, making these fish a comprehensive option for overall well-being. Ideally, you should consume fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week, grilled or baked, to preserve their nutrients. A helpful tip is to include these fish at dinner, as omega-3 can also improve sleep quality, another essential factor for efficient metabolism. An interesting fact is that wild-caught salmon contains a higher concentration of nutrients compared to farmed salmon. Broccoli. Broccoli is an incredible vegetable for anyone looking to boost metabolism and enhance overall health. It is rich in fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients like vitamin C and K, which help regulate metabolic processes. Moreover, broccoli contains bioactive compounds that assist in detoxifying the body, enhancing liver function, and promoting a more efficient metabolism. To maximize its benefits, enjoy broccoli steamed, grilled, or in soups. It's an excellent choice for lunch or dinner, pairing well with lean meats or other vegetables. A fascinating fact about broccoli is its potential anti-cancer properties, thanks to sulforaphane, a powerful bioactive compound. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a simple yet highly effective ingredient for improving metabolism and digestion. Rich in acetic acid, it helps lower blood sugar levels, enhances insulin sensitivity, and promotes fat burning. Additionally, apple cider vinegar has appetite-suppressing properties that extend feelings of fullness. One of the most popular ways to consume it is by diluting 1 or 2 tablespoons in a glass of water and drinking it before meals. This practice can improve digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Consuming it in the morning or before dinner is an excellent strategy to maximize its effects. Interestingly, apple cider vinegar is also widely used for skincare and hair care, making it a multifunctional ingredient. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete and nutritious foods available, and they are excellent for boosting metabolism. Packed with high-quality proteins, eggs require your body to expend more energy during digestion, aiding in calorie burning. Additionally, they contain choline, an essential nutrient that supports liver function and regulates fat metabolism. Another benefit of eggs is the feeling of fullness they provide, which can help reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. Versatile and easy to prepare. Eggs can be boiled, scrambled, made into omelets, or added to salads. Enjoy them for breakfast or as an afternoon snack to ensure energy and satiety. An interesting fact is that eggs were once unfairly criticized due to cholesterol concerns, but they are now widely recognized as a healthy choice when consumed in moderation. Ginger. Ginger is a fantastic food when it comes to boosting metabolism. This root is rich in bioactive compounds like gingerol, known for its thermogenic and anti-inflammatory properties. When consumed, ginger slightly raises body temperature, increasing energy expenditure and promoting calorie burn. Moreover, it improves digestion, reduces bloating, and supports intestinal health. You can use ginger in various forms: grated over salads, as an ingredient in teas or even in detox juices. To maximize its benefits, try consuming it early in the day or before main meals. An interesting fact is that ginger is also renowned for relieving nausea and motion sickness, making it a popular natural remedy. Coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, and it's not by chance. Besides its delightful taste and energy boost, coffee is a potent metabolic stimulant. Caffeine, the primary component in coffee, directly impacts the central nervous system, increasing adrenaline levels and promoting the release of fatty acids from fat stores. This process encourages the body to use fat as an energy source. Caffeine also stimulates thermogenesis, aiding in calorie burn. To enjoy these benefits, moderate consumption is key. 2 to 3 cups daily are sufficient for most people. Opt for plain black coffee or use minimal sugar, avoiding calorie-laden combinations like whipped cream or syrups. The best time to drink coffee is in the morning or early afternoon to avoid disrupting sleep patterns. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is much more than a fragrant spice. It's a powerful ally for those aiming to boost metabolism and balance blood sugar levels. This superfood has thermogenic properties, meaning it slightly raises body temperature and helps the body burn more energy. Additionally, cinnamon is rich in antioxidants and helps regulate insulin, the hormone responsible for fat storage. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet can also reduce hunger spikes, making it easier to maintain a balanced diet. Use cinnamon in various ways: sprinkle it over fruits, mix it into teas, or add it to healthy recipes. Consume it at breakfast or as a mid-morning snack to maximize its effects. Interestingly, cinnamon's aroma is also known to improve mood, making it both a functional and delightful addition to meals. Green tea. Green tea is more than just a relaxing drink. It's a genuine metabolism booster, rich in catechins, especially epigallocatechin gallate (EGCG). Green tea stimulates fat burning and increases energy expenditure. Research indicates that regular consumption can reduce body fat, particularly around the abdomen. Green tea is also a mild diuretic, helping to eliminate toxins and reduce bloating. For optimal benefits, drink 2 to 3 cups daily, preferably unsweetened. Prepare it with hot, not boiling, water to preserve its catechins. A great tip is to enjoy it in the morning or before meals to enhance metabolism and digestion. Red chili pepper. Red chili pepper is one of the most potent ingredients for those looking to boost metabolism and burn calories. This effect is attributed to capsaicin, a bioactive compound in chili peppers that increases thermogenesis heat production in the body. This process makes the body expend more energy, even at rest, aiding in extra calorie burn. Capsaicin also helps suppress appetite, making it beneficial for weight management. Add red chili pepper to soups, sauces, and meats for a flavorful kick and metabolic boost. Ideally, consume it at lunch or dinner to benefit from its thermogenic properties throughout the day. However, moderation is key, especially for individuals sensitive to spicy foods or with stomach conditions like gastritis. So, why not start incorporating this metabolism-boosting ally into your meals? And while you're at it, if you enjoyed this tip and want more content like this, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It really helps us continue providing valuable insights for your everyday life. Thanks for watching.